Welcome to the tutorial on how to use the 6th grade online textbook. Once you have logged in using the correct username and password, remember it's frogs, this is what your screen should look like. Okay, so there's some different things we can click on, but what we want to be concerned about is using the textbook correctly and getting to the right spot in the textbook. So to do that, we want to go to the top left of our screen where it says integrated in light blue. You can click on this. So once you click on this, this shows you your table of contents with all the different chapters. You can click on any chapter, and once you do that, let's click on chapter 10. On the right-hand side, you will see individual lessons and other resources you can click on. So let's say we are in chapter 10, we just started the chapter and we are in lesson 1 talking about different types of ecosystems. So I can also click on this, and as you can see, a different picture appeared. Remember, it used to be the boy, but now we have a different visual here. So now is when I can go over to the right-hand side of my screen, and the green button that says ebook, I click on this. It will bring me to the spot in the textbook. And as you can see right away, it's a bit small. So I can go up the right-hand side. I can click on zoom in. And that makes it a little bit easier to read. You can zoom in a little bit more if you'd like. You are also able to search for things on the top right. So that is your kind of like your control find there. We also have a glossary. So this includes all of the vocabulary words in the book. If you click on it, it will give you their definition. So this is for the whole book, not just for this particular lesson. Also has it in Spanish as well. So I'm going to exit out of that. We also have an index. So this just lists all of the main topics in the textbook, and it gives you the page number, and you are able to click on that as well. Okay. So once we have our spot in the textbook where we want to be, we can go to a different page by clicking on the arrows on the right and left hand of our page. So if I click on this, it will advance me to the next page. There's also different features you can use. We haven't really explored much, but feel free to do that. It looks like you can highlight, use the pen, take notes. So if you are comfortable in exploring that and that's something that you think might be able to help you, by means, go ahead, you can do that. Okay, if you have any questions on how to use the online textbook further, if you're still confused, don't hesitate. Please send me an email and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But hopefully this tutorial helped you a bit, and always keep the username and password handy.